lemon bars with a cookie crust. Sweet, tangy, and irresistible. I'm going to show you how to make lemon bars from scratch using fresh lemons and a homemade cookie crust. I love lemon, and these lemon bars will make your lips pucker. So come with me and let's make some lemon bars. We have 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of plain flour in this bowl. And we got a 1/2 cup of sugar, not even a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We have 1 cup butter, 1/2 teaspoon. We're going to put 2 teaspoons. And we're going to mix it. I got my oven turned on 350. I have my 13x9 pan. I have it sprayed on the bottom. Some people can put parchment paper on the bottom if they want to help it get out easier. But I just cut the bars and go up the side a little bit. So we're going to put this in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes and let it get lightly browned. And then we're going to bring it out and we're going to start on our filling. I just took the cookie crumb out of the oven. It was in there for 20 minutes and it's nice lightly brown. And I've already whipped up 6 eggs. I've took my Zest. Just go like that. Just the yellow stuff off the lemon. And this is what I use to juice my lemons. Or you can get those, the one that are electric, whichever. But 4 lemons got me between 3/4 and 1 cup of lemon juice. This is 2 cups of sugar that I want to pour in there. And beat the eggs. Get it all whipped. And when I strained the lemon juice, I strained it through a strainer and got all the seeds and the pulp out. This is 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour that I want to put in there. And the lemon juice. And then that's came off of 4 lemons. The the zest. Try to whip those, make the batter smoother. We're going to pour this filling on top of the cookie. And then we're going to put it back in the oven and cook it for 20 more minutes until it sets. See how thick it's gotten? So we're going to put it back in here, and we'll be right back in 20 minutes. They were in there for about 20 minutes, and look how pretty they are. Isn't that pretty? They got to cool off a little more, and I'm going to put them in the refrigerator after they get cooled off a little bit, and then we're going to sprinkle them with powdered sugar. And all you have to do is just put some powdered sugar in something like this, or any kind of gadget that you can sprinkle, and just, you know, sprinkle it over the top. I hope you try these, because they are going to be delicious. And as always, God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.